Hello everyone, this is Anthony sir and you are welcome to my channel English Grammar with Anthony sir. First of all, I must say thank you to everyone who have subscribed my channel, and also if you are visiting me for first time and you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. So let's start today's grammar topic. Today's grammar topic is preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun, pronoun, or gerund. It denotes the relation of the person or things with other person or things. I have already made so many videos on prepositional study. So in this video, we are going to do exercise. Some examples we are going to study here. And our today's preposition is in. There are 6 different uses of preposition in, and let us see one by one. Number 1. In is to indicate a location. It can be used for location, that is place. For example, I am in my friend's place now. Now remember one thing here, that when you are using preposition in, the place should be bigger in size, because in is used for big place and not the small place. And if the place is small, we will use at. We can say I am at my friend's place now. So looking at the place size, we can choose at or in. Second use of preposition in is it is used while doing something. For example, the tagline should be catchy in marketing a product. And here in marketing, so this shows the activity that is going on. Okay, so that is why we can use preposition in for the activity that is going on. And remember, here it is activity, it is not the place. It is used for activity. The third use of preposition in is to indicate opinion, belief, feeling, etc. For example, I believe in hard working. So this is my opinion and I can use preposition in for that. And for belief also you can use you can make a sentence like what do you believe in. Okay, so here also you can use preposition in to know the belief, or feeling also we can use preposition in. Next use of preposition is to specify a day, month, season or year. For example, I prefer to do maths in the morning. So when we are talking about specific time of the day, we can use in. But when we are using the day, for example Monday, Tuesday, we cannot say in Monday, in Tuesday. We have to say on Monday, on Tuesday. But that particular time of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, yes, you can say. And month and season, because the duration is quite long, we can use in February, in winter, in 2020, we can use that, because in is used for longer duration of period. And the second example is the new academic season will commence in March. So in March, March is longer duration time. That is why we can use in there. On is used for small duration of time and in is used for longer duration of time. But in here can be used for the specific timing of the day. For example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening also. And the last use of preposition in is to indicate color, shape and size. For example, this dress comes in 4 size, or you can also say this dress comes in 4 different colors. So you can use the preposition in for color, shape and size also. Last but not the least, there is one more use of preposition in is to indicate container type place. It is used for the place, but if it is container type of place, we can use in also, even if it is small. For example, I am in the class. So here class is a type of container and you are sitting in, therefore you can use in. See, if the place is big, you can use in. But if the place is small, you have to see whether it is container type or not. Then only you can use in. Otherwise, you have to use at for small place. So, this is all about preposition in. There are 6 different uses I have already told you. Now, you must know all. You must know the difference between each of them. Then only you can write the correct answer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, students, for watching this video, and wait for the next preposition exercise. I hope you have enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.